In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore Woocommerce safely in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional managing an online store or you're just beginning your journey with Woocommerce, ensuring your data is safely backed up and restore ready is essential. This tutorial will guide you through each step, so let's dive right in. First, head over to WordPress.com, your go-to platform for building and managing your website. Once there, the first thing you're going to want to do is log in. You'll likely be familiar with this process, but as always, remember to ensure your credentials are secure and your internet connection is stable. After logging in, navigate your way to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing everything related to your WordPress site. Next on our agenda is to select the Plugins section in the dashboard. This is where all the tools that extend the functionality of your website are located. Once you're there, click on Add Plugin. This will allow you to browse through a multitude of plugins that can enhance and safeguard your Woocommerce setup. What we're looking for today is a specific plugin known for its reliability and backups, Updraft Plus. Head to the search bar and type in Updraft Plus. This plugin is incredibly popular due to its ease of use and powerful backup capabilities. Once you locate Updraft Plus in the search results, click on it. You will see an option to install and activate. It's important to ensure you install the correct plugin, as there might be similar sounding ones. Once installed, activate it to start using its robust features. Now that Updraft Plus is activated, you'll have the option to manage your backups seamlessly. To do this, click on Backups from the plugin settings. This action will direct you to the interface where you can control and schedule your backups according to your needs. Regular backup scheduling is a great habit to get into to secure your data, protecting it from potential threats or unexpected mishaps. Remember, backing up your Woocommerce setup is pivotal. It not only safeguards your data, but ensures continuity in your business operations. In case anything goes wrong with your site, having a backup assures that you can restore everything to its former state without losing vital information. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've backed up your Woocommerce store, ensuring that you're prepared for any issues that might arise. Regular maintenance like this can save a lot of time and prevent headaches down the road. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy selling!